My name is Dr. Carolyn Phillips, and I am a computational scientist at Argonne National Laboratory outside of Chicago, Illinois. I am also a guest editor for a special issue of APL Materials coming out this spring dedicated to the Materials Genome Initiative. Launched in June 2011, the Materials Genome Initiative is a U.S. federal investment in doubling the pace of advanced materials discovery, innovation, manufacture, and commercialization.
In a nutshell, it's about the design process in the area of materials. What is new and what is really exciting and is also quite recent is that we are now at a point where we can think of actually designing materials in a rational way.
Here's why this is so important. This is my phone, which is powered by a lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion batteries can be found throughout consumer electronics, and new applications for lithium-ion batteries are being found every year. They are a materials success story. But from concept to commercialization, these batteries took a long time. The objective of the Materials Genome Initiative is to shorten that story for the next round of game-changing materials.
The whole future of humanity depends on materials. So if you want to have a clean environment, you need energy generating systems that don't pollute, that don't produce CO2. So we want green, efficient computing, we want green transportation. The right combinations of materials will help in that endeavor.
A significant part of that story is changing the way research scientists approach the design of new materials.
With experiment, with simulations, we are able to generate tons and tons of data, but our ability to actually process that and extract meaningful information out of it, that has been very, very limited. There's a lot of hidden information in that which can be uncovered by using proper data analytics tools.
Yeah, so this is a particular outcome from one of these so-called evolutionary optimization processes. It's essentially a toy model of what we call a granular molecule. So you see these little blobs here that are connected, bonded together, just like a molecule would be. Now, the interesting thing, if I rotate this, is that it is a completely asymmetric molecule. So the computer, essentially the algorithm, the evolutionary process, found this as the result of an optimization process, and it is so different from anything we would have thought of a priori.
For most of human history, new materials have been developed through an exhaustive trial and error approach. However, materials science is now at a remarkable point where theory, computation, and experiment are becoming able to talk to each other in meaningful ways.
And we'll be looking at some examples of both forward models. For example, given composition and structure of a material, what the property of this material would be. So trying to predict, for example, how strong this will be. And similarly, we can have inverse models that if I have a certain target property in mind, that I want a strength of this much, then what structure the material should have, what composition the material should have. These are inverse models.
And that means true, rational design of new materials in an accelerated way may soon be possible. With this issue of APL Materials, we will highlight the successes, discuss the big ideas, and review the challenges of this effort.